A Brooklyn Kayak Company kayak could be the ultimate exercise machine, and they're built to last.
You get a premium quality product at a price that won't break the bank.
All Brooklyn kayaks come with a 5-year warranty, so you can rest easy knowing that Brooklyn Kayak Company will be there with everything from accessories to fishing tips. It's time to get into the outdoors with Brooklyn Kayak Company.
The Reception Rambler is a playful sit-on-top that is easy to paddle for fun seekers of all ages and skill levels, and is great for lakes, bays, rivers, and light surf. Light and easy to manage, the Rambler family features a sit-on-top seat, molded-in footwells, side and bow and stern handles, and a nicely sized tank well with bungees. The Rambler is offered in 2 sizes, a 9.5-foot model and a 13.5-foot tandem model, so you can share the fun with a paddling buddy.